Hello, good morning. I am your teacher and professor, Dr. Arun Trikha. I am your global teacher professor. In this short video, I will be telling you how to find the oxidation state of an element in a compound. Now, there are variety of videos available on the YouTube or in the media. But what is different in this video is I will be telling you the basics and the very simple way of finding, though it's chemistry, but how to find out. Chemistry is not like any other science. It is like any other science. It's very easy as long as we understand the concepts. So the best thing in all my videos is I will try to make you understand about the concepts. So the most important basic concept in the present context is every chemical compound is a neutral entity. That means the compounds do not carry any charge unless they are dissolved in a solvent. They break into ions. Ions are the charged entities only when dissolved in aqueous solution, that is in water. Now, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate are the two compounds which I have taken in this posting because of their importance in chemical reactions. Now, the first thing, we will find out the oxidation state of manganese and chromium in these two compounds. First of all, potassium permanganate. From the chemical formula of potassium permanganate, which is KMnO4, we can see that there is one potassium atom, one manganese atom and 4 oxygen atoms. Potassium belongs to the first group of the periodic table and has an oxidation state of +1. Electronic configuration shows that potassium has one valence electron. Valence electron is the one that is present in the outermost orbital. This lone electron, lone means single, can be easily lost, making potassium electropositive, means positively charged. So here is the configuration of potassium. It is atomic number 19, electronic configuration is 2881. That means one electron in its outermost orbit. Now, oxygen belongs to the sixth group of the periodic table and has an oxidation state of -2. Electronic configuration shows that it needs 2 electrons to complete the octet. Octet means 8. This character of accepting electrons makes it electronegative, means negatively charged. Now, the electronic configuration of oxygen. It has an atomic number of 8 and electronic configuration of 2, 6. That means it is short by 2 electrons in the outermost orbit. Since one oxygen carries 2 units of negative charge, there is a total of 8 negative charges. That's why I say -2 multiplied by 4 or 4 times -2 is 8 in this compound. So potassium carries 1 positive charge, so there is only 1 positive charge in this compound. Now, diagrammatically I am telling you this is KMnO4. Oxidation state of potassium is +1, oxidation state of oxygen is -2 and oxidation state of manganese we have to find out. Now, it is simple math. When we say it is the overall compound is neutral, so on that basis we say potassium 1, oxygen -8. So if we have to balance by a simple algebra, +7 comes out to be the oxidation state of manganese. Now, taking the example of potassium dichromate. This compound contains 2 potassium atoms, 2 chromium atoms and 7 oxygen atoms. So 2 potassium atoms contribute a total of 2 positive charges, 1 from each potassium atom. 7 oxygen atoms contribute a total of 14 negative charges, 2 from each oxygen atom. Then we simplify 14 units of negative charge and 2 units of positive charge. We are left with 12 units of negative charges. Now, these 12 units of negative charges are for 2 chromium atoms. So, since we have to find out the oxidation state of 1 chromium atom, we will divide it by how much? 2. So it comes out to be plus 6. So in potassium dichromate, the oxidation state of chromium is plus 6. This is again shown diagrammatically. K2Cr2O7, oxidation state of potassium plus 1, oxidation state of oxygen minus 2. So we get total of plus 2 oxidation, total of plus 2 charges, and total of minus 14 charges. So if we do the simple math, it comes out to be plus 12 to make it neutral. So plus 12 for 2 and 1 for 6 for chromium, 1 chromium. So this is how I explain the oxidation states of potassium, manganese and chromium in these two compounds. All my videos, they can be found on my website, which is www.lifetohealth.org. Please go on my website, find out for yourself the basics of science, basics of chemistry, basics of health. There are many health articles, and all my videos, which are more and more, will be coming, and all my previous videos, they deal with the basics. If we understand the basics, science is very easy. Mind it. And believe me. So that's all for today. Go on my website and just subscribe.